Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an old-fashioned butter bean with beef neck bones. Okay? I got some neck bones. These are my speckled butter beans right here, guys. Alright. Got 2 bags of those. And these, let me see how many ounces of those. Like 12-ounce bags, so that's total 24 ounce. This is my pressure cooker. I'm gonna put these in here. I already washed and cleaned these up. So I'm just going I can just pretty much dump these, right? Playing around with it. It's a real little quick, easy recipe for you guys. For these butter beans with beef neck bones, you're gonna need a couple, not a cup, but like 4 to 5 cups of water. We're going to pour this in here. This is 3 cups in here. I'm going to get some more water. Okay, here's my other 2 cups of water. Alright. And I'm going to put some this organic no salt seasoning in there. Alright. And I got also some Knorr beef bouillon. Beef. Alright. So we're going to come in here with like a tablespoon of that. Get my little measuring thing out. That's about a tablespoon. Just sprinkle that in here. Just like so. We're going to come with a tablespoon of this no salt seasoning. Organic no salt seasoning. Don't need much. Alright. Let's come with a tablespoon and a half. How about that? Tablespoon and teaspoon. Alright. And all I'm going to do is let this cook for about a good hour. So we're going to get some of the seasoning off of some of this meat here. So it can cook in its water. Alright, fam. We're going to cook this bad boy for about an hour to get tender. And then we're just going to go ahead and add our beans and let it cook for like 25 minutes. Alright, let me go ahead and find the meat over here. I can't never see over here. It's about an hour. Alright, when that gets done, I'll show you how that looks and we'll add our other ingredients. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. It's been about 45 minutes. I know I said an hour. I just wanted to go ahead and check on this because we're going to get these beans going in here too. I'm going to put these beans in here to be frozen and then we'll break that. Old-fashioned butter bean with beef neck bones. Yes, sir. Alright. Okie dokie. I'm just gonna let this cook about a good half an hour. And I'll show you guys how everything looks. Alright, half an hour. I'll stop it at a half an hour. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm finally done with this old-fashioned butter beans, and beef neck bones. And this is how that looks up here. Normally I have tomatoes and stuff for mine as well. I got onion, green onion, and regular onions. Some corn cakes right here. So that's how that looks, fam. Alright. And I'm going to put some of this right here on it. Some Tabasco sauce. So if you guys like this video, please give me a like and a share and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love. Happy cooking.